Hello everyone. Here's my latest vintage box fan find. Also off of eBay. Paid $50 for this one including shipping. It's an Eskimo brand box fan by McGraw Edison. I have not tested it yet. I have not oiled it yet. This is as received condition. Appears to be in good condition. Let's go ahead and start up on high. It's four position switch. Off, high, low, and then off again. So let's fire it up on high and see what happens. Moving a lot of air. Let's try low. Now off. Flip it around and get the startup sound. Start it on high. Low. I'll say she needs oil. Wait for it to stop and I'll start it up on high. Now back to off. All these fans will be serviced once the weather gets warm and stays warm. Thanks for watching.